Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muklis. Now I will explain the journal entitled Psychological Problems Encountered by EFL Students in Speaking Class at Riau Islamic University. The author is Muhammad Ilyas, Miranti Eka Putri, and Isnania Nurani. Introduction. Knowing speaking problems that are encountered by the student is really necessary and helpful for both teachers and students. By analyzing it, the teachers can get to know more what kind of problems might hinder their student during speaking class, then try to evaluate and overcome the problems together with the students. All of those problems are inseparable with students' speaking skill and possibly make them reluctant to speak during the class. The study focused on finding out and analyzing the problem of psychological encountered by the student in the subject of speaking for social intercultural communication class at English Language Education of Universitas Islam Riau, that consists of love of self-confidence, anxiety, and law of self-esteem. Speaking skill, problem in teaching and learning speaking. Psychological problems. Number one, love of self-confidence. Number two, anxiety. Number three, law of self-esteem. Method. This is a qualitative research design according to Rugaya 2016. Descriptive qualitative method investigates, illustrates, and verifies the phenomenon found during the research. This kind of study aims only to describe and interpret the phenomenon or even found without further studying, such as defining its correlation or examining hypotheses. English Language Education Study Program, Universitas Islam Riau, Pekanbaru become the location of taking the data of study. Finding and discussion. There were three indicators that have been elaborated by the researcher for finding out the psychological problems in speaking skill. They were law of self-confidence, anxiety, and law of self-esteem. Furthermore, the findings found from each indicator will be analyzed one by one to the followings. 1. Low self-confidence. In this indicator, 5 statements have been asked to the students to see their responses toward the statements. Statement 1. I feel confident when I speak in front of the class. Statement 2. I enjoy the class when I know that we are going to discuss particular topic. Statement 3. I like to volunteer, answer questions during the class. Statement 4. The class moves so quickly, I worry about getting left behind. Statement 5. I would probably feel comfortable around my friends who are fluent in speaking. Conclusion. In conclusion, the EFL students at Universitas Islam Riau faced some problems in speaking skill, particularly in the subject of speaking for social intercultural communication class. The data were analyzed from students' answer on questionnaire, then supported by their answer in the interview. The psychological problem that prominently encountered the students was low of self-esteem. They were unable to speak in English as well as most of their friends. Then, they felt they had not much to be proud during the class due to several problems. Most of the students tend to feel they were failure because they have not improved their speaking skills yet due to several linguistic problems which encounter them at the same time. The data were analyzed from students' answer on questionnaire, then supported by their answer in the interview. So, the psychological problems that prominently encountered the students was low of self-esteem. Okay, guys, that's all from me. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.